He became a manager in Alchemy Incorporated and contest leader in Avon up to present. During market days, as early as 4 in the morning, she was in the streets to sell dried fish. During weekends, she has to travel as far as Bukay, Cagayan to get baskets and sell them on the wall. It wasn't easy for her to shoulder all the responsibilities left by Pedro. Sweat was her greatest sacrifice. There were a lot of pains, heartaches, difficulties, and disencouragements. But she did never give up. She remained calm and strong. Her patient heart and avoidance to hard works and inspired her children to strive hard in school. The eldest, Mildred, who had experienced college education because of her financial status and because of her unselfish desires to help her younger siblings to enter and experience high school and college education. Mildred and her generous heart to her sisters and brother had helped Helen to pursue the education of the three others. Mildred married to Edwin Maneja with kids NJ, Christian Dale, and Avril Kyle. Maria Luisa, the second, pursued the dreams of the eldest. Her incessant desire and search for her destiny and dreams in life pursued her to burn her midnight lamp. No doubt, while she bloomed in her elementary years, she graduated with honors. As she continued on her quest in high school, her burning desire paid off her guts and talents, flourished when she graduated as a class valedictorian of the Ilocos North Region School of Fisheries in 1993. She believed that her dreams could be realized at Northwestern University. With the financial aid of Best Buy Scholarship or private education school fund assistance, she took Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Education, Health and Music, and led the graduating class of 1997 when she was awarded magna cum laude.